Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your VIVO X300 Pro cannot detect your headphones. Before you start troubleshooting your phone itself, try to connect your headphones to another device and see if another device can detect them. And if there is no problem with your headphones, then first of all just restart your phone by pressing the power button and volume up key at the same time, then swipe the middle circle to the right and wait until your phone is restarted. Then you can try to connect another pair of headphones to your phone if these ones still if these are still not detected. If you have another pair of headphones that you can try to connect to your phone, then do that and check if they can successfully connect to your device, because this might be a compatibility issue. Try to check in if your volume levels is high enough, and make sure that you see this Bluetooth icon if you have a Bluetooth headphones connected to your device right here. You can also expand the media mixer and try changing the volume for different media types. If nothing helps, you can go to first you can restart your phone into the safe mode and see if your headphones work in the safe mode. To do so, press power button and volume up key at the same time. Hold your finger down on the power off option until the safe mode notification appears on your screen, then tap OK and wait until your phone is restarted into the safe mode. Once you're in a safe mode, swipe down the control center and disable airplane mode, enable your Bluetooth and try connecting to your headphones, and then check if they work in here. And in case they don't, then you should go to settings, check for system management menu, open it, then go to reset all settings, and reset your phone. It will not erase any personal files, though it will reset all the settings you have on your phone, so like even things like wallpapers and all the other settings on your device. And this might also resolve your issue. But even if your phone still cannot detect your headphones after the restart, then check if then you can contact VIVO customer support service and tell them about this issue, and they might also guide you through some more troubleshooting steps. And if you cannot figure out what the problem is, then this might be a hardware problem with your phone, and then you're gonna have to send your phone to them for repair. And still, I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.